going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be talking about 5 ways to make money with crypto. So stay tuned. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. Today we're going to be talking about 5 ways to make money with crypto. So let's just get right into it, guys. All right, guys, we're going to talk about 5 ways to make money with crypto. This is for the beginners out there. For the beginners out there, if you're just getting into crypto, these are a couple ways where you can make some money. All right, number 1, first and foremost, is going to be trading. Crypto trading is one of the most basic things you can do with crypto. Obviously, you buy some, you sell some. You buy some, you sell some. You buy low, sell high. Very simple and very easy, and one of the most basic ways to make money with crypto. Number 2 on our list is going to be crypto mining. Crypto mining is number 2. Recently, with the Ethereum, whole Ethereum 2 thing, it's not as profitable as it used to be right now. I don't think that there's any profitable mining going on just yet because, 1, the market is down, 2, the whole Ethereum thing. So, but it is, it's still there. It's still there in the background. There's still ways to mine tokens that... there's tokens that still pay. So it's not dead entirely. It's far from dead. Later on, when the market goes back up and you start mining these other tokens, these altcoins, there's potential for a lot more money. So wait for that. Number three. This one's for if you already have some crypto, is staking. Staking is basically how I made a lot of money in crypto at first, was just staking. I bought crypto, I staked it, the exchanges were doing what they were doing, so I can get a little piece off the top, and, I was making some dough, slowly but surely with compound interest. I was able to make a couple $1,000s, within a few months, and I was stoked. I was really stoked at the time. This is when I first got into crypto back in the day. So number 4, this one's going to be kind of hard unless you have a lot of crypto. It is crypto lending. Crypto lending is number 4. Basically, where you can lend out crypto and earn interest from what you lend out, similar to a bank. And number 5 on the list. This one's a little different. That you might not think of. It's affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, guys. There's actually ways where you can market crypto projects and make a little commission on the side. Of course, the crypto projects have to have an affiliate market program or some type of program going on to reward you. But talk to them, guys. Message them. See what they have, guys. I'm sure there's somebody out there that's willing to work with you. So that is 5 ways to make money with crypto for beginners. 5 ways to make money with crypto. So that's going to do it for today, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below. Do all those things that YouTubers tell you to do, and we will see you next time. Peace!